This? Oh, sorry.
Oh, it's the
Oh, it's you didn't have a paper, so you had to.
yeah, so I cut off the paper bag. I started to go look at this sometimes.
Tyler was telling her man busting.
I wasn't trying to make it that way. I was just trying to do it as fast as I could, and I didn't quite know how it came out. I didn't have time to think about it.
Look at the
Oh,
camera.
God, you think?
Give Grandpa, give Grandpa fist bump.
Wrist bump.
Storm warning. Oh. Don't panic.
Give Grandma a wrist bump.
Hey,
Joey, fist bump.
Joey, can you give me a fist bump?
So,
Yeah,
Jeff,
get David.
you're gonna leave without us having a fire.
Yeah, no fire in the
No
woods.
fire.
Joey!
Come on!
Aw.
Hey.
Joey has to get a fist bump.
And
Hey,
of all times,
Joey.
I forgot to get some snaps.
Oh, you're good with
Yeah.
that.
Daddy, yeah.
Dad gets a
Hey, Joey. Joey.
Oh well.
don't do anything.
And it is charged?
Fully charged.
Okay.
Really?
I already paired it. You're supposed to turn that on first.
What goes on first? This?
Yeah, the transmitter.
And then turn this on?
Yeah.
Well, what are these two wing things? Like these two things. What are those little things?
They just go underneath.
They go underneath? Oh, why am I pushing against? Okay.
Oh, there we go.
So, now what?
That's it. Red.
Now you can launch it.
Alright, let's see, wait.
This is to change it between modes. Still nothing. It tells you to activate this. Watch. It says that with this, if it's red, solid, it's in agility mode, so it should be working right now. And you go,
What is this red light? Oh, that if that's red solid means it's good.
and look, quadcopter operation. To select it, hold them down like that for 10 seconds.
Hold which ones? These two?
Yeah, down like to
Both?
the left. Look.
Oh,
Oh, this one's over there.
oh, like that. Okay.
For 10 seconds. I did that multiple times, nothing happens.
Oh my goodness.
Do you think we have enough power in the charge? Maybe it's not charged enough.
Fully charged. The light went off.
Oh, okay. Well.
Before I tell you, it's
This is a good eggnog.
Okay. And I got the.
How do I look?
You look great.
Thank you.
Yes, you do. Look like a
Morgan.
queen.
Oh, thank you. Morgan, put a crown on.
Why?
And rye. Yeah, you did get it.
Watch out.
So that would be 130.
How much do you guys want with the eggnog?
All right.
Like, how
So
much
now
is
can
it
you
up?
go,
Just
Steve?
use it all up.
Now
Oh.
there's an R there. Maybe you can go.
Oh,
I cannot
go
say
down,
that
go down.
it was.
Now does everybody like nutmeg?
Yeah. You?
Can you go?
Marie is winning. Yay.
Whose turn is it?
Whoa, 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 whoa,
Well,
whoa.
I'm gonna have some eggnog. Everybody have an eggnog. Go
Alright.
ahead.
Whoever wants
Wow.
to take- No, we can have another one.
Does anybody want to challenge me?
Here,
What?
what do you put down?
Who wants to challenge me?
No, I challenge that.
All right, let's see.
We can have more after midnight. You can have one now.
No
and then we
such
have more.
thing.
No offense, Ty, but-
Holiday weekend.
Hey, you know something? I didn't record that. Let's do it over again. Toast to time.
Is this good eggnog?
This is the best. No, yeah.
It really is.
Where did you get this here?
Yeah.
Where? Because I might have to pop in
It's
there.
the Cambridge Village Co-op.
Really?
We're gonna have to
Co-op.
take
Our letters. Oh, she didn't go out. She doesn't get a water until she does the R.
I throw. She's better than you.
better than you.
In your
What?
face.
She told me last night she wasn't going to play anymore. She's
That's
dumb.
right.
No.
This is dumb.
Last
This is
night,
dumb.
she was
Yeah.
never going to play
no
Scrabble.
good
I guess we know where Christian gets it from.
Wait, what's the
Now,
score? Did I at least
Hey,
get more than
are you
Grandpa
gonna-
did?
Chris,
Are we
come on.
Hey, what are the final numbers though? Because I want to know. Did I get last place?
9.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Woo!
Kiss me. Kiss me. No, come on, give me a real kiss. Like with your arms around.
I'm a sore loser. I may be a sore loser, but.
Happy New Year. Happy New Year.
You're gonna dap me up.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year, Marie.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year, Mom.
Happy New Year.
Yay. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. We found out we're having me. Happy New Year.
That was me last night.
Happy New Year.
Patriots.
Wow.
You know, Gabe, when you're 16, we're gonna look back on how you were next to the Patriots and make fun of you to no end.
They said you're gonna stop liking that?
Yeah.
Is that Paris Hilton they were just showing? I think it
Gabe,
was.
here, keep it aside.
I'd be scared to death to be there.
Why is that?
I wouldn't
Somebody
go there.
blow that place up or something, try to do something.
That's a good point.
Seriously, if I were a terrorist, I'd want to go to Times Square on New Year's Eve.
Did you get that on film?
Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, Aunt Dot. That's so touching. And it goes on to say, warning, storm, ice storm, yep, help, Bethany is screaming for help. And David, let's see, David looks like he's saying, don't panic. Yep, he's not worried a bit.
Yep.
And we come down here and we see Naomi and Marie and Steve and Morgan and Tyler and Chris and Gabe. They are dancing around, and Grandpa and Grandma's got a great big mouth.
What?
And Grandpa, he seems to be calm and cool and collected. Donnie Ann, Joey and Jeff, and they're all saying, what should we do? Well, the answer is just sit back and enjoy the fire, which went out. Boy, that's a bummer.
That's what I said.
Well, it got so bad here that we hated to do this, but it looks like we're going to need Donnie Ann's, should we save this, or should we burn it? To give ourselves some heat.
Burn it, burn it, burn it.
Burn it. All right. I hate to do it, but all good things have to be burned sometime. Well, it's a little bit better off than I thought it might be. You can still crawl under and sleep. Put a tarp over it.
Good luck. That's like a beaver dam right now, Gabe. Spots.
Yeah, you could crawl under and
One spot. Like if you were really just trying to get out of the elements,
yep.
right in there, Gabe. See what I'm talking about? Right in here. See, there's a whole hollow spot in there. See it? You could get in there. You have to crawl up on your belly and then slide in there. But you could, like, if you covered that with a tarp or something, it'd be good.
I'm scared.
I know it's scary when you turn around, right?